Hello friends, good morning. Once again I welcome to you. Today I am going to teach the first fiction chapter of the Flamingo cluster, that is last lesson. It is coincidence that it is the first lesson but its name is the last lesson. It is written by Alphonse Daudet. This is the chapter. That chapter is based of the two countries, that is the France and the Persia. Persian attacked to the France and they own two country of the France, two district of the France, that is Alsace and Lorraine. Country France, and it is owned by two district Alsace and Lorraine, owned by Persia. And earlier when it was under the France, their French language, which language? French language was spoken, taught in the school and written. But what happens when Persian owned these two districts, and after that they imposed their German language to these districts. The story based about this, and the theme of the story is also the freedom of language and the love for their own native language. So this is based about this incident, this event, that Persian attacked on France and they owned two districts Alsace and Lorraine, and they imposed their German language on to these districts. And a story is about that in this district there is a teacher whose name is M. Hamel, and there is a boy who is studying, his name is Franz. Franz regular goes to the school, and sometimes he is late. He is not interested to study the French language. He is not taking the importance of the French language. But what happens? Mr. M. Hamel, who is teaching for 40 years, French language in this district, and suddenly what happened? From Berlin an order came that from tomorrow, from the next day, in these districts what will happen? Only German language will be taught, and they will not study their own native language, their own native French language. After that, it was a shocking news for them, and for that MML, it is the last class, it is the last lesson for the French language. So the chapter's name is the also last lesson, because it is the last lesson of the French language for the native of the French two districts Alsace and Lorraine. What happens when French goes to the school? There is a notice board, town hall notice board. There is a notice, but he is not giving much importance to this notice, because for last few days, for few months, very bad news come for them. So they are usual now. They are not giving the importance, but there is a crowd, and he is getting late for the school, and he is also fearing, because the teacher MML is given to the chapter, to the work, to learn about what? About the participle, but he has not learned about it. So when he goes to the school, it was like the Sunday morning. Why it was like the Sunday morning? Everything was changed, everything was silent. It was not the noise of, there was not the noise of the students. There is not the patting of desk, the patting sound of the rule of MML. So it was like the Sunday morning, and when he entered, he saw that his Mr. M. Hamel, his teacher, has on, he wear his particular dress, that is the green coat and the frilled and embroidered cap. So it was a very unusual thing, because for the prize distribution or the inspection day or for any occasion he wears such the dress. And when he entered the class, he was not angry. In a very smooth and very silent way, he said that come and sit down. It was surprising for him, because he was late also. And when he entered, when he sat, he saw that the last bench, back benches, the villagers were sitting, the retired postman and the mayor ex-mayor and the villagers were sitting for there, and they came only for what? They came to bid, they came to thank. It was their manner to thank Mr. Hamel, who has given the service of 40 years in this village, in this district, to teach the French language. Now today they understood the importance of this language, how it has importance for them, because when it was time of the study they were not studying. French was also not interested, but today he realized, he is repenting that he wasted his time to what? To catching the birds, to searching the bird's egg, to swing. For this he spent the time, and Emmanuel also repent that he is not only responsible that you people are not interested, you have not learned their own native French language. Why? The three persons are French. Emmanuel is also feel guilty. He says that he is also responsible, because when it is time to study, he sent the boys for the drenching, for the watering the plants. When he is mood, he went for the catching the fish, and and say that it is holiday, and he is going forward catching the fish. And his guardian are also responsible, because for the few money, because for the few of amount of money, they send their boys for the working for the as a labor. So they were responsible that they do not understand, they are not able to learn the French language. But today order came that from tomorrow the French language will not be taught in this district. Only German. From tomorrow a new teacher will come and he will teach the French language. He will teach the German language. So this news came. It was like a thunderclap. It was like the thunderstorm for whom French and other. But what happened? At last, very calmly and very silently, he says that Mr. M. Hamel says that it is your last lesson and your school is dismissed. So we describe here, we find out that how the importance for us our native language. In this chapter it is also says that our language is the key of prison. We can be free if we have our weapon of our native language. Then any prison cannot make us slave. We cannot be imprisonment. We can be free with the help of our key. And that key is what? That key is our language. And it is also says that can they means that German people, Persian people, can they make to learn the pigeon also in German language? It means that they can only impose, any country, any ruling country can impose their own language to the other, but they cannot compel to speak the natural thing like the birds and etc. So this is the story that is the totally based on the theme of that our language, freedom of language, and for the love of our native language. And Mr. Hamel also repents for that, and French also repent, not only as the people of the district of Alsace and Lorraine, they are repenting about this, that they have not given the importance of their native language, and now the time has come that other people are imposing their own language to learn them. So it has important, and it is also a message for us also that our native language has its importance, and we should learn, we should talk, we should promote our native language. Okay, thank you. We will study this chapter line by line. I will send the video also, and we will also. Okay, thank you.